I have this little bird. Oh, what's going on? Oh, there he is. This little bird has been coming around all day. He just comes around and hangs around a bit, and then he flies away. And he comes back again. Hopefully he'll come out of here in a minute. We'll see him in a minute. He's just behind everything there. He is. But yeah, we'll see here. Little bird. There he is. Yeah. Hello. How are you? He's been pretty close to me. He's coming to visit me all the time. Oh, no, don't go in there. He's gone inside the camper. Oh, there he goes. Okay, there he goes. Hey, you. Don't go in the camper, little man. No going in the camper. I love it when you come to visit, but don't go in the camper, sweetie. All right. Oh, he's quite the bird, I'll tell you. He went right into the camper. He definitely has no fear, that's for sure. But look at him up there. He's just looking at me. He's saying, yeah, I'll go into your camper if I want to. I'll go into your camper if I want to, bitch. Who do you think you are telling me what to do? Anyway, it's funny, that little bird, I've seen him here often. Well, actually, for the last couple of days, he's been around. I saw him last night, too. But he comes, and he comes to visit anyway, I guess. So I guess he's visitor bird. We've had visitor deer here and visitor cat. We've had a couple of different visitor cats, actually. And now we got visitor bird. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Visitor bird has flown the coop for now, but no doubt he'll be back. We'll talk to y'all later.